Hey everyone, it's Brett here from WebTech with Brett, and I'm going to show you guys how you can make a cPanel FTP user that you can share with a developer, a client, or just share with somebody who needs access to the file system of your website. All right, so as you can see here, we're in the cPanel of an account here. I've blurred out some information just for security purposes. Now, what you're going to want to do is scroll down the page until you get to the files section. Inside the files section, you have FTP accounts. If you click in there, what we're going to want to do is create a login for this website. So the login name can be anything. So if you have a developer, you can just write in developer. Select the domain that's probably most appropriate for this. If you run multiple websites, then you want to select just whatever website that they're going to. It doesn't really matter because the file systems are shared, then they're all going to be in the same place anyway. So once you do that, you can add a password. Now there is a specific criteria that the password has to be for security reasons, but if you just click password generator, copy the password in here, click the checkbox and go use password, we should have that down. Now always keep a mental note of that password somewhere because we're going to need it later. Once that's done, you'll see that it creates a directory specifically for that user. Now this directory here will mean that they don't have access to any of the files. So if we remove that directory, then they'll literally have access to basically the top level of the account. So they should have access to basically this level here, where all of these files will be accessible. Now you may not want that, so what you can do is back here is we can choose a specific directory. So if we want to put in the public HTML, which in majority of the cases is where your website will be, then we're pretty much going to lock the people down to this folder here, which would be your WordPress site, or it could be your Joomla site. It could be any site that you have in a cPanel container. So what we're going to do is click create FTP account. And if you go down here and click configure FTP client, there's going to be a bunch of information here that you're going to want to copy. Now over here, if we just paste it above the password we saved before, this is the information that you can now share with a developer. Now over here, if we just paste it above the password we saved before on your website. Hope that tutorial helped. Let me know down in the comments if you need any more information or any more tutorials about how to use your cPanel or any help with WordPress, Joomla, or any other site. If you do need specific help, you can scan this QR code and go to my website. Until next time, thanks for watching. Cheers.